Every single email you see on the screen took less than 3 hours to make, and we're talking over 20 different welcome emails. So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to make your brand's own welcome email in less than 10 minutes and set it up so that your designer could create the email exactly the way you want it and set them up for success. Let's get to it. First thing is you're actually gonna do a deep research prompt on your brand. So all the different links are in the description. You don't need to put your email address. Everything is free. It's literally just access it right after the video. So a limited client deep search. All you're gonna do is you're gonna copy this whole thing, which for you, it'll be in a Google Doc. So you're just gonna copy it, paste it down. If you wanna do it on ChatGPT, what I suggest doing is a deep research right here. Click that, and then this will do a deep research on your brand. Now, all you're gonna do is go to the very top, and where it says brand, you're gonna put in your brand name. So let's wanna say, drinkbrez.com. We don't work with them, but just want to make that clear. But if we were doing drink brezes, we would do it. Once you do that, it's going to ask you a question. Could you please confirm if there's any specific? No, just everything. No, just everything. And that's pretty much it. And there you go. So now ChatGPT is going to start researching everything about Brez. Now, if you don't have the deep research prompt in your AI, just search up what the equivalent is for ChatGPT for your own brand. But it's going to do a deep research. This is going to take maybe 20 to 30 minutes, but you could just lay back. You don't need to do anything, and you can move on to the next part. This is a brand that we did deep research for. It took 23 minutes, and it gave us 23 sources and 35 searches. So again, it goes through a few different things, the brand voice and tone. It gives information about the products. It gives information on the tone your website has, as well as your Instagram, different articles you've been featured on, pretty much everything about your brand. Once you have it, you're gonna copy the entire thing, and then you're gonna paste it into ChatGPT. So once you paste it into your AI, don't upload it yet. All you're gonna do first is you're gonna go to your welcome copy, and you're gonna copy this prompt and paste it at the very top. Now, what this specific copy does, and I'll hit enter just so you can see what it does, is it's gonna give you all the information of how to have a perfect welcome email. And just to give you an example of what that'll look like, at a high level, what is the brand? Give them the discount code, 3 unique selling points, and then a product feature section of each specific product. It's gonna give you this. You're going to go to your Google Doc or Word, and you're going to paste it just as is. Now, here are a few different examples of some of the emails we've made. You're going to notice every single email looks very, very similar, right? At the very top, it has information about welcome to XYZ, welcome to Pure Skin, welcome to Swift Hockey, welcome to Cien Chiles. So this is based on one of our best performing welcome emails we've ever made. We're setting you up for success, and it's giving you the same structure all the way. Headline, subheadline, CTA, more information. Once this is done, and you have it into your, to your Google Docs, you're gonna go to Figma, and you're gonna paste it into, your Figma file. Now, I suggest using this specific email for inspiration. So what I would do is just either take a screenshot, or I'll include it as a link in the description, so you could just copy it, download this email, and then literally just make your designer copy it exactly the same. Now, to be fully aware, we don't work with Alchemy Pets. They're a great brand, love what they're doing. I just made it for fun, just to send the owner, but just want to make that clear. But the point is, have your designer follow the structure, because when they make when they make your own brand's welcome email, it's going to look very similar. Welcome to. Logo, subheadline, CTA, image at the very top, and then again, unique selling points, intro to the brand, and then different products that they have, and then a nice little CTA to end it off. You're gonna notice that this is very repeatable. We've done this for many, many brands. This, for Sleep Protein, June, Frankster Australia, and if I could go to any single email, let's go to this one, the exact same structure. Welcome to Good Word. Right here, unique selling point, meet the ingredients, and then a different feature section of every product, and then try the protein pack. And just try to have your designer recreate the email to look like this example, and they'll absolutely crush it if you have a good designer. So I hope this video helps. God bless you guys. Talk to you in the next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the description, and I will do my best to answer. God bless you guys. Bye. Jesus Christ loves you.